Have you ever wondered how you can show hidden files in Windows 11? Those files that seem to exist, but they don't appear. Don't worry, I got you. Alright, so you're going to go to your File Explorer, and then you're going to go to that section where you want to see the hidden file. So mine is in my drive. And then you go to the top here and choose these three dots where it says See More. Go to the bottom and choose Options. After selecting Options, head over to the View tab. After choosing the View tab, move your cursor to the middle here of this window and look for something which says Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Then select Apply and choose OK. And what you'll notice is that there's going to be a few new folders that are going to appear. And you know that they were previously hidden if you see that they're kind of grayed out. So that you see these normal files or folders that appeared before, they're a normal color. But if you look closer, they look a little bit darker and grayed out, which shows you on default they were hidden. Now most people, they will be looking for app data. So if you go to Users, then you go to your username, so there it is, you'll see that the app data folder exists and you can access it and make some changes. Then if you want to hide it, go back to the top here again, select the three dots, Options, then go to View and choose Don't Show Hidden Files, Folders, or Drives and select Apply and choose OK. So if you are struggling to look for the app data folder or any other hidden folder, this is the simplest way to do it. And I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.